have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to change the app view. So when you press this button to go to the apps, you have different views. So like this one is the planet view because it almost looks like a globe. So as you're scrolling, things are just going around like that. Okay. So we have two different other views. We have the grid view and also a list view. So to change, just go to settings. The easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and tap on the settings icon and then scroll and find general, tap on that. Under general, you should see app view. Now, if you tap on that, then you can see planet view is selected, and that's why we have that planet view. You can select grid view, and grid view looks like this. Okay, so it's just a grid that you're scrolling up and down. Doesn't look like a globe, it's just a grid. And then you have list view. This one now is a list, okay, as you can see. So that's the different ways you can change the app view on your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.